Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, different camera until I get a brand new cellular again. So I gotta get a new one. I keep using things that they gave me and it doesn't last long and then I get depressed and all that stuff. At least I got this camera and I'm trying to play so, because like I said, I'm gonna be doing it straight, one by one, you know. I probably changed the name, because I noticed that the 3 is gonna be down here, up there, and the 1 is gonna be down here. So I'm gonna see after I finish doing this, I will change the numbers, and that way, it's much easier. You know where 1 and 2 and 3 is. So saying that, look at that. Look at that little baby right there. Has a little tomato on the side. It's trying to get another tomato. I don't know what kind of this one is. I know they just started showing up. I know somebody must have tomatoes or something. It flew over here and I got that one. I planted it. This one is mine, the biggest one. I put it in there. And one of these little small cups. And then it grew, so I decided to put it here. The reason why I tried to do it this way instead of last time that I did it, there was just two of them hanging through the thing right here over there in the door. So I want to see if I could get more, and I still think I could get more here. But when I change, because I'm planning to change all this, because I can't hardly mess around here. But for the meantime, it's gonna stay there, and it gets nice of sun. That's the best part. Look at my flowers. They look so beautiful. I cut it, you know. So just saying this before the camera shuts off because it doesn't let me do long videos. So God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.